First up on the show, with the NDA all set to form the government in India for the historic third consecutive time, Prime Minister Narendra Modi called the bloc the most successful. Modi attacked the opposition during the NDA parliamentary meet. Modi said that the NDA was not a group of parties that had come together for power, but an organic alliance committed to the principle of nation first.
NDA को करीब-करीब 3 दशक हो चुके हैं। यानी आजादी के 75 साल में 3 दशक एनडीए, ये सामान्य घटना नहीं है जी। विविधता से भरे हुए अपनी लोकतांत्रिक और सामाजिक रचना के बीच में ये 3 दशक की यात्रा एक बहुत बड़ी मजबूती का संदेश देती है। और मैं आज बड़े गर्व के साथ कहता हूं कि किसी एक समय वो था कि संगठन के कार्यकर्ता के रूप में इस अलायंस का हिस्सा था, व्यवस्थाओं से जुड़ा रहता था और आज सदन में बैठ करके आपके साथ काम करते करते मेरा भी नाता इससे 30 साल का रहा है। और मैं कह सकता हूं, हकीकतों के तथ्यों के आधार पर कह सकता हूं, ये सबसे सफल अलायंस है।
Now, during the parliamentary meet, Rajnath Singh formally proposed the name of Narendra Modi as the leader of the National Democratic Alliance. Singh said that Modi's name was the most suitable for the prime ministerial post.
संसदीय दल के नेता व एनडीए संसदीय दल के नेता।
Today we are here to select the leader of the BJP Parliamentary Party, leader of the NDA Parliamentary Party and leader of the Lok Sabha. And I believe that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's name is the most suitable for all these posts.
Now, addressing the bloc, Amit Shah supported Rajnath Singh's proposal. He added that 140 crore people of India wanted to see Narendra Modi lead the country for the next 5 years.
देश के रक्षा मंत्री जी ने
I support the proposal put forth by the Defence Minister. This proposal is not only the desire of the people sitting here, this is the proposal of 140 crore people in the country.
श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नाम का प्रस्ताव रखा है, इसका मैं मन से समर्थन करता हूं।
Now, in his address, Prime Minister Modi thanked the alliance partners for unanimously choosing him as the leader of the NDA.
साथियों, मेरा बहुत सौभाग्य है कि एनडीए के नेता के रूप में आप सब साथियों ने सर्वसम्मति से चुन करके मुझे एक नया दायित्व दिया है।
After the meeting, Prime Minister Modi paid a visit to veteran BJP leader L.K. Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi before staking claim to form the third consecutive government at the centre. Those are visuals from earlier of Prime Minister Modi meeting them. N. Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar will join Prime Minister Modi in a meeting with President Draupadi Murmu. Modi will take oath as Prime Minister for the historic third consecutive term on Sunday. And our principal correspondent Disha Shah is now joining us live from Mumbai on the phone line. And Disha, there is a meeting taking place between Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar at the moment, and this comes in the backdrop of, we believe, Devendra Fadnavis, saying that he will step down as the Deputy Chief Minister. What are you picking up? And of course, this could possibly be a stock-taking meeting as well.
Well, absolutely. Today we saw earlier during the day, the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis met Amit Shah, and he was also joined by Eknath Shinde as well as Ajit Pawar. Remember, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis had claimed that he wanted to resign from the party. He said he wants to take the full responsibility for the BJP's defeat in Maharashtra. He also continued to say that how he fell short in some places and the setback in Maharashtra is my fault. But however, after meeting Amit Shah, It looks like the meeting was conclusive. Amit Shah has advised Devendra Fadnavis not to resign. This is what the sources are telling us right now. Amit Shah has also requested Devendra Fadnavis to continue working in Maharashtra government. And at the end of the day, to improvise the entire situation, corrective measures should be planned in Maharashtra. So this was the advice that has been given by one of the top leaders to the Maharashtra leaders who are working with the NDA here in the state. And also right now as we speak, the NDA leaders, including the Maharashtra leaders, have started arriving at the BJP president, JP Nadda's residence, because they'll also be having another round of meeting today. We saw a meeting taking place today, earlier during the day. But right now we'll be looking at all the NDA leaders arriving and meeting at the BJP president's Nadda's residence to decide the future course of the action.
Right, Disha, thanks very much indeed for joining us with the very latest there. So clearly stock taking happening there in Maharashtra. Remember, Maharashtra is the second largest state in terms of seats, and this is an important state for the BJP. And of course, this comes ahead of the assembly elections in Maharashtra as well. So key state to look out for. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.